How to find all the videos you have ever watched on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find videos you have watched on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and here click on those three lines up there, and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now all you need to do is scroll down until you find your time on Facebook. Click on see your time, and here click on see activity log, and scroll down until you find logged action in other activity, your device's login, videos you have watched, and more. And here you're gonna find videos you have watched. It's gonna give you all your activities since you start Facebook, and you can click on trash and delete all this, or you can archive some of it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.